Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, we're gonna learn something homonyms which sound same but the meaning is different. Okay? So, matar. What is matar? Matar is airport. And at the same time, when we say matar, matar is rain. So, if you are saying matar, so just try to say matar. Let me add one more a here, so it can be matar. Okay, and this one is matar, matar and matar. Okay, another one, qalb. Qalb is heart. Qalb is heart. Generally, people say it galb. They replace the Q with the G. So this is galb. Okay, so galb and qalb is same, and the qalb is heart. Kalb K. Remember, kalb, not g, k. Kalb is dog. Qalb heart, kalb dog. Big difference. So focus on this. Okay. Jamal. Jamal is camel. Jamal is camel. Jumal. Concentrate. Jamal is camel. Jumal is sentences. Plural of sentence. Sentences. Jumal. And Jamal. Jamal is beauty. Jumal is sentences. Jamal is camel. Sound same but different meaning. Don't mix it up. Don't say this to this, this to this. Don't mix it up. Try to pronounce in a proper way. Jamal, Jumal with U, Jamal with double A-L at the end. So, beauty. Okay. Amal, Amil, Amil. Amal is work. Amal is work. Amil is customer. Amil is labor. Many people, they get confused in this. Amal, Amil, Amil. Even yesterday, one of my students was asking me the same thing. He said, what is the difference between this and this? So, Amal, Amil, Amil. So, Amal is work, Amil is customer, and Amil is labor. Concentrate. Okay. The word asfa. Asfa is sorry for the female. When female says asfa, that means sorry. Asfa. A-S-F-A-H. Asfa. But when there is another word which is asifa. Asifa, which means storm. Thunderstorm, rainstorm, tsunami, so that kind of storm. Okay, so asifa is storm, asfa is sorry. So pronounce it as asfa, no asifa. Asfa and then asifa with a, asifa. Okay, and the last one but not the least, sug means market. Sug means market. Again, sug means drive. Both look similar. Even when you are talking somebody, when you are explaining somebody, so you have to explain with the situation, with the scenario. Sug is market, sug is drive. So example, sug as-sayyara lis-suq. Drive the car to the market. Sug as-sayyara lis-suq. See, it's absolutely similar, no different. But when you say it in a different situation, the next person will understand. Thank you for watching. For more videos, you can get connected to us, to Arabic Talent, on the link below.